my super simple zucchini recipe that helps to keep me losing weight. Whew, a mouthful. Hi guys, Shauna here. Welcome to my channel. So I've been following a whole food, plant-based way of eating, Starch Solution style, for the last 12 weeks. And I'm down 19.8 pounds, 54 years old. Yes, I'm doing it. So proud of myself. And this zucchini recipe literally has saved me. Upping my vegetables has been one of those key components that has helped me to lose the weight. And I don't love vegetables, but you know what? I love zucchini. So probably the first 3 weeks while I was trying to get my palate adjusted and like other vegetables, zucchini saved me. I ate it every day. And this baked recipe, if you love zucchini, this will get you through. So let's get to it. We're starting out with zucchini, of course. This is for me only, so I'll eat all this in one sitting. I eat 3 big zucchinis, washed and prepared. Really prepared just means washed. Some low sodium vegetable broth. Garlic salt. I've tried to get rid of the salt with the zucchini, but having just that little smidgen of salt really helps, right? Spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. So this is the garlic salt that I love. And I recently started moving over to the organic garlic salt, but to me this tastes more like grainy. I don't know, but sometimes I'll mix it up. I just wanted to show you this if you wanted an organic option. They do have organic garlic salt. And that's it. That's all you need. Zucchini, vegetable broth, and your garlic salt. While I'm getting started here, I just turned the oven on to preheat at 375 degrees. So while you're cutting the zucchini, if you have the oven on, it'll be ready by time you're finished cutting. So I just take the zucchini, cut off the ends, and I try and get about 4, depending on how long the zucchini is, either 4 cuts or 3 cuts. I'm thinking today, for these I'll probably get 3 cuts because this one's not as long. And then I cut mine down the middle in 4ths. So down the middle, turn it around, and then another cut. Once the zucchinis are all cut up, then I just take this is a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon. I usually don't measure it, but I'm trying to do it for you all. So I don't even fill it all the way up. I just kind of put that around. This takes the place of the oil. It'll help the garlic salt stick to the zucchini, and it'll also keep the zucchini from drying up when it's in the oven. And with the garlic salt, I just do sprinkles. So I just sprinkle it around. And we don't want to overdo it with this garlic salt. It's pretty potent, especially if you've been moving away from salt like I have. So just about 4 or 5 shakes. Then once you do that, just mix it around. Get the garlic salt all tossed in there. And that's it. I'll take my parchment lined baking pan and put the zucchini on that. Use the rest of the vegetable broth because you want it in there while the zucchini is cooking. And I just move my zucchini around so the skin side is down. They look nice and pretty, all skin side down. And once I'm here, I usually check if it looks like most of the garlic salt has come off, then I'll add a little bit more to the top. But like I said, you don't want to add too much. You can always add more after it's out, just a teeny bit over the top. And there you have it. Our zucchini's all ready to go in the oven. It'll be in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. If you like your veggies a little firm, keep it for 20. If you like them a little softer, like I do, check it at 25. And then if you even want it softer, you can let it go a little longer, but I find 25 minutes just about does it. It's been 25 minutes, you guys, so our zucchini should be all ready. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, it's steaming and sizzling. Yummy, looks so good. So I'll take my fork just to make sure it's tender. Yeah, super tender, just like I like it. Super soft. If you did need it in, you can always stick it in for, it's usually just a 3-minute difference. You could stick it in for 3 minutes more, or actually take it out 3 to 5 minutes early if you like it a little bit more hard. So let's give this a taste. I'll have this for lunch. My rice is cooking in the rice cooker, so I'll have this over long grain brown rice, and that'll be lunch for me. 3 zucchinis and rice, that's a pretty big lunch. So let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. I love zucchini. I could have left how I did the extra sprinkle on top at the end. I could have left that off, and I actually thought of it while I was doing it, but I added it anyway. Darn it. But that little hint of garlic salt is just enough. I'm really tapering off salt, so I don't really need that much anymore. But it does add that nice little added zing to the zucchini, which I really enjoy. A super simple zucchini that keeps the weight falling off. I hope you all enjoy it. This trick of using vegetable broth instead of oil, I use with asparagus also eggplant. I'm trying out with all my vegetables. I love baking vegetables, and I used to slather it with oil, and I don't anymore, so I needed a replacement. And adding the vegetable broth really is that key ingredient that keeps the moisture in and also allows the seasoning to stick to the vegetables. So that's a little insider trick. I hope this helped you all out, and I hope you enjoy the zucchini. Please let me know if you love zucchini, and if you love zucchini this way. You have to try it. Super, super simple. All right, thanks you guys.